Hi everyone, welcome back. If there's one item that will drive a beauty lover crazy, it's the makeup brush. So today I will be sharing with you all my top 7 makeup brushes that every woman must have. Starting with the concealer brush, it's important to have a flat brush that can help you cover the dark spots and also to conceal the eyes and pigmented areas on your face. A flat brush like this has a slight tapered edge that allows for more precision and more controlled application. A flawless foundation application is one of the most important steps in your makeup routine, as it sets the tone, literally, for your entire look. That's why I'm using a makeup tool like this, which is a 3D HD foundation brush by Sigma that makes the foundation application very precise and easy without creating any harsh lines on the face. I use a tapered brush to contour my face, and I multi-purpose it by using the top rounded part of the brush, which is perfect to add in the blush because it allows me to cover the right amount of space without overdoing it. For the powder brush, whether you're devoted to loose or pressed powders, these bristles will disperse the product evenly over your face. This tool will also prove to be helpful when working on your finishing touches such as setting powder. I use a fan brush like this to gently apply powders and highlighters for the cheekbones, temples, cupid's bow and brow bone. A fluffy eyeshadow brush is very imperative to have for times when your lids are going to need a little bit of color on the crease. A long rounded brush like this that blends shadows out to create a soft focus effect. A tapered eyeshadow brush is really perfect for smudging and to create a modern and messy smoky effect. With the tapered end, this brush can be used on eyeshadows to literally smoke the color outwards instead of having a harsh line of where the shadow ends. I hope this video was helpful. If you think I've missed out on anything, then let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Bye!